Salut Tremblant! On a vraiment une météo changeante cette semaine. Un peu de pluie, un peu de neige, mais notre équipe de damage et de fabrication de neige font vraiment des belles conditions. On va même avoir jusqu'à 40 pistes ouvertes pour le week-end, incluant la franchise des l'Algonquin. Et oui, le versant Soleil va être ouvert. On a hâte de vous voir. Bon week-end! Good morning. Today we're with Bob McLennan, and you've been in the ski industry for over 60 years, I believe?
No, 65 winters as a professional ski instructor.
And you say you'd rather be skiing than doing anything else?
Well, I love it. Skiing is my life, and it's not, there's no questions of anything interfering with it. Doctor's appointments, operations, all those things are geared around my ski life.
So what do you like most about skiing in Tremblant?
Well, it's very convenient because I live about 8 minutes away, and in traffic, 9 minutes.
So you've recently been inducted into the Ski Alliance Hall of Fame.
Yes, that happened last Thursday, December 5th. It was the most emotional day of my life in skiing. Such a great honor. We have 20,000 members and there's only 70 people in the Hall of Fame.
Wow.
So it's quite a ratio.
Yeah, you know? Of course.
Yeah. My contributions were in, I was a interski person, team member. I was in an exchange program between Canada and France, the only one ever.
Wow.
I was assistant director at Tremblant and at Grey Rocks. I was head coach in Gatineau, coached the world champion Betsy Clifford. I was editor of a ski magazine, along with board of directors national for the Alliance, and my work as an examiner. I'm a level 4 course conductor, so we used to spend the whole season training instructors across the country. I've taught instructors in Matin, Quebec, and Whistler, BC. So
coast to coast.
Yeah. Boy, skiing looks good today.
Skiing.
This is a bluebird day at Tremblant. Well, it rained 2 days ago.
Yeah.
And the next day, skiing was excellent. I thought it was impossible to get the conditions like that, and they did it. Mm-hmm. So it's very good. Good grooming makes good skiers.
Is there a particular type of terrain or trail that you prefer?
Well, my favorite runs are the McCullough and Kandahar and Taschereau. I like to ride the gondola because it's the warmest place to be on the mountain. I didn't get this old being stupid. How's that?
That's gorgeous.
Isn't it great? Yeah.
Not bad at all.
Good. Thanks for skiing with me.
Thank you.
Welcome.